Hi, welcome to an Onshape video tutorial. I want to do the drafting exercise, the Spannhebel in Onshape. So I've got that section view, which I did with a trick. Simple trick, but effective. We got center lines, and I couldn't do the dimension to that tangent point because it's not possible. Also, there are no breaks for dimension lines in Onshape. But let's have fun with Onshape. Okay, so I go to my Spannhebel, right click and want to make a new drawing. Yes. And let's see what we do have. ANSI. There's a portrait so let's use this one and go for OK. Takes a while, and then I should have a DNA for portrait. I want to have the top view of that Spannhebel and put it right there and press escape. Now this should be without tangent edges, so hide them. For the section view I need the same view once more, so I go for another base view and again top, and I put it right behind the other one like that and press escape. Now go for a section view, go for horizontal and just select one line, maybe this one. You could flip the direction, doesn't matter in this case, and put that section view down below. Now I could delete that one, and I want this one to be independent of the parent, so suppress alignment with parent. And now let's move this view out of the sheet. Now move this over here. I could try align view vertical, align view horizontal. So that would be a horizontal alignment. Let's try, but that's not possible. Okay, now let's move this up, zoom in and move it like this. Not quite. So maybe a little bit to the right. Yeah, that's okay. Now I need an isometric view, so go for another base view, change to isometric and put scale should be 1:2 and put it right there and escape. Now for my center lines, I will go for a 2-point circle center line, select that one and go to this one. Then go for 2-point center line from this point to that center point, and from this one to that one as well. Great. Now for my dimensions. Radius, 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 and radius. Now I want a radial dimension here. Then a normal one. Here. So in order to align those dimensions, the values, the text with the dimension line, go to Drawing Properties and change text alignment from horizontal to align with dimension line. and that should do that trick. Okay, let's proceed. This one should have deviation, and that should be 0.1. And just move this maybe up here or maybe down there. And I can't remove that 0 here. Next one, this should be 30. Okay. Then I got from this point to that point a dimension 14 with a fit of D10. And again move that up there. Then we need one from this center to that center. No. We need one from zoom in this center to that center. Nope. Wrong one. It should be from this center to that center. 15. And the other ones I cannot do to the tangent point, so I want to go from that point, that's possible, to that center. That would be 1, 4, 5. And again from a point, this point, to that point, that would be 110. Finally, I need to dimension that hole. That would be D14, and again with D10. And I'm not able to do those 2 quadrant points. That's not possible, sadly. And I think I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.